Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A black FN2, a Nighthawk black FN2 in the house today for Ecutek tuning. Jensen has fitted some parts, including a Teguis 70mm exhaust system and an induction kit. And we're going to get on with doing a stock power run. Hello, Jensen.
Hello.
We're going to do a stock power run and then start tuning with the Ecutek software. So, here we go. Fat fingers out of the way of the camera. Yes, Nighthawk black FN2 in the house. It's had some modifications today. It's had a Teguis 70mm.
Yeah, I had a Teguis 70mm brand new, to be fair. Customer supplied us with a second-hand Jap speed manifold, I believe, and a second-hand CPL induction kit with battery relocation. Don't generally like fitting second-hand parts, because what you tend to get is you get part of the second-hand kit and not necessarily all of it. So, for example, like the manifold wasn't really a major problem, but the induction kit was missing certain pieces from it.
As a rule, we don't fit second-hand parts. We don't fit customer supplied parts as a rule, but as he was having it exhaust and having it mapped, well, it's like, let's get it done.
Yeah, let's get it done. So yeah, no major problems, but just a few little bits of part missing and whatever else. But anyway, got all that done, got that sorted out. Marked up lovely. I think we didn't run this car back to the same way we always say, don't we? Didn't run it standard or run it standard form. But obviously we ran it once we'd done all the modifications. So that whilst the power increase doesn't look a massive amount, to be fair to it,
it would have come in 200 braking, yeah, left 225.
Exactly, yeah.
Fantastic.
So,
but yeah, it's been a hot day, hasn't it?
It's not as humid as it was yesterday. At least it is actually nice outside. Yesterday was dead cloudy and dead humid, but it's actually quite nice out there today.
And that's our last map of the week.
I think that's our week done. Yeah, we've been a busy week. There's a lot of EK stuff this week.
Busy, it's coming together.
A lot of EK paint stuff, should I say, this week we've been doing. So engine's been painted. Near enough everything on the engine's been painted.
Go and follow the go follow that playlist if you like Honda Civic EK. Richard's obviously got a car that he's building at the moment. There's a series of videos of the progress. You can see it. There's probably turn that into a movie. It's probably a couple of hours long by now.
Oh, easy, yeah. Yeah, so we've been doing a lot of stuff on the engine and getting bits ready for that. Keith sort of put the final pieces in, I think, for the body shell today. So like mirrors, handles, mouldings, front grille, things like that. So he's put a lot of that stuff in there today.
It's really starting to look like a car again.
I think pretty much it's sort of going to want flatting and re-clearing again, because we're using a metal flake in there, which obviously doesn't necessarily cover on the first attempt.
Flow coating?
Yeah, sort of flow coating again when we're done. So we're sort of about there, and I think the only two things we've then got to finish is strip the gearbox case in and paint that, and then obviously we'll build that up, and that'll be sort of engine painted and ready to sort of go in. Wheels we've got left, and refurbing the headlights. So we're really not...
Engine's built up now, isn't it? Timing all done and that sort of stuff.
Yeah, that sort of stuff. Yeah, we've got to sort of try and get the engine complete, perhaps by the end of today. And then we weren't going to split the gearbox till we knew we got all them bits out of the way and sorted out.
It's having an LSD, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. So yeah, it's been a busy old week, but if we don't get on with it, it ain't going to get done, is it? So we're really
there's a deadline.
There's a deadline, so we're pushing it now, aren't we?
Push on me.
Yeah. Right. Should we go have a look at the graph?
Let's look at it's Friday afternoon. Let's look at the graph. Well, say it with me, boys. Red line is as you came in. Blue line is as she leaves. VTEC lowered, rev range extended, bags of power in the mid-range gained. If you look at the wheel horsepower line, you'll see that we're totally up, so that's fantastic. And we finish on 225 brake horsepower. Not bad at all for this car. If you've got an FN2, let us know. If you need any help, advice, or you just want to talk to someone about your car, give me a shout. You can message us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or be really old school and pick up the phone. We'd love to hear from you. We have a Honda meet. There's plenty of these that attend last Saturday of every month, so do come down and say hello. You're more than welcome. But otherwise, we shall see you on the next one, won't we, Jensen? Good work on this one, Jensen. You worked hard on this.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.